And here's one answer. For straight, what I did was I said it's a straight if the difference between the max and the minimum is 4, say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. And also if all the cards are different. So make a set out of the ranks, and if the length of that set is 5, that means if there's 5 different ranks that have a max versus minimum of 4, then it's a straight. For flush, what I did is I extracted out the suits, iterated over the hand with the R and S being the two characters within each card, collected up all the S into this list, and then I asked, is the length of that set equal to 1?